Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to use LED keyboard on Redmi 13C device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, you have to go to the Play Store or App Store on your device. Okay, and then you can install this one. Well, after that, just open it. And then click Get Started here. And then click OK. And then here, press this button to activate it. And then click OK. And then please select LED keyboard. And then here you can check the display of your keyboard. Okay, and then the LED keyboard is successfully applied on your device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to use LED keyboard on Redmi 13C device.